up to something.
Okay, Flint, time to put you down now. Get him off me. He's cutting off the circulation of my foot.
No. Please, don't go.
Put the stick down. Think I mean it now. Drop the stick. Drop it.
Run!
Boy, he runs fast for a little guy.
Wait.
This way. There they are. A bird! Oh, stop! Ah, my baby!
I got you.
I can't see.
Somebody do something.
All right. Can anyone see how they lie?
I can't see.
Don?
Good heavens, they're in trouble.
Princess!